MaaS 360 is a complete mobility management platform you can use to securely manage all your mobile devices, applications, and documents. You won't believe how easy MaaS 360 is to set up and use, and it supports both corporate and employee-owned devices, including iOS, Android, Windows Phone, and BlackBerry. In just a few minutes, with some basic information, you can create your own MaaS 360 account and start managing your devices instantly. Now you can configure your services. Some are configured automatically. There's a separate workflow for iOS. You'll need an APNS certificate from Apple to enroll your iPhones and iPads. Click to configure any other services you want to use. You can add more services whenever you need to. Next, you need to specify enrollment options. These options include using your end user's corporate credentials, two-factor authentication, and a simple passcode. You can set it up to send an alert to the administrator whenever MaaS 360 detects a new device. Now you can send an enrollment request to your users. These requests are emails or SMS messages that give users a URL to access a corporate webpage where they can enroll their devices. That's all it takes to enroll a device. This is what users will see when they access the webpage. A few taps later, MaaS 360 is installed on their devices and is sending information back to the portal. This is an example of the data that will appear in MaaS 360 for the device. You can see operating system information, if the device has been jailbroken, how much storage it has, and more. The hardware inventory screen shows details about the device itself and some custom attributes. You can also see network information. MaaS 360 lets you see apps that were deployed to your devices. You can also find the device, lock it, reset the passcode, perform a selective wipe, and more. As devices are enrolled, more and more data will appear in MaaS 360. You can set up policies for devices. I'll create a new one, based on the default iOS policy. Let's start by making passcodes required. MaaS 360 gives you plenty of passcode options to fully support your corporate security policies or industry requirements. You can restrict the different features that appear on devices, too. You can also blacklist, allow, and require different apps. For now, let's restrict Facebook. MaaS 360 brings up suggestions as you type. After we save this new restriction policy and publish it, we can give it to end users. This is only the beginning of what you can do with MaaS 360 to manage and secure your mobile devices, apps, and documents. Find out for yourself by downloading a free 30-day trial.